Alright, there's another video for one VT and one HT about exercise 27. We have some different formulas and some different x's, and we need to calculate what y is. So we need to find what y is. Well, the first one is 3x squared minus 12, and x is minus 4. So let me show you underneath here how that is done. So we calculate what y is. I'm just going to copy the formula first. 3x squared minus 12, and now I know that x is minus 4. So the minus 4 actually goes over here. And if the x is negative, then you have to put it in brackets. So like that. And then if we calculate this is going to be 16. So 3 times 16 minus 12. And 3 times 16 is 48. And 48 minus 12 is 36. This is the answer for A. But the other formulas will be a bit more difficult. So B is the formula equals minus x squared. So y equals minus x squared. And it tells us that x is minus 7. So if the x is negative, you have to put it in brackets. But there's also a minus in front of it. Now, minus 7 squared will be 49. But there is a minus in front of it, so the answer will be minus 49. Moving on to exercise C. There we have another complicated formula. It's x minus 8 in brackets squared. And then plus 12. So I'm going to write that down. Y equals x minus 8. In bracket squared plus 12, and it tells us that x is 5. Okay, so let me move this paper a little bit. If I want to solve it, then the 5 goes over there. So 5 minus 8, we need to do that first, and then square it, and then plus 12. This is minus 3. And minus 3 squared equals 9, and 9 plus 12 is 21. So this is the answer for C. And then we're going to go to D. For D, the formula is minus x squared plus 12. Okay, so I'll write that down. Y equals minus x squared plus 12. And x is 6. That's what the question says. Here it tells us x is 6. Okay, so we're going to fill the 6 in over there. So we have minus 6 squared plus 12. Well, 6 squared is 36, and there's a minus in front of it. So we have minus 36 plus 12 equals minus 24. Sorry about that, the answer is over here. And then lastly we also have E. And for E the formula is y equals 9 times x minus 1 and squared. And it tells us that x is minus 1/3. So this is a very difficult one, right? Because we have this annoying fraction there. So first I'll just fill in the fraction on the spot of the x, and then minus 1 and then squared. We can add this, so it's 9 times minus 1/3 squared, and then we need to figure out what that is. Now I can use a little side note here to tell you how to do minus 1/3 squared. Well, 1/3 is actually 4 over 3, right? So we need to square that. So if I do minus 4 over 3 times minus 4 over 3, 4 times 4 is 16, 3 times 3 is 9, and negative times negative is positive. So we just get that. Alright, so we have 9 times 16 over 9. Well, this means divided by 9, and this means times 9, so those are each other's opposites. So the answer is just going to be 16. Okay? Because 9 times 16 divided by 9 is, well, just 16. That's the answer for E. So here are the answers for all 5 of them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.